To set up triple monitors with your Lenovo laptop, you'll need a compatible docking station. The most popular options include the ThinkPad Universal Thunderbolt 4 dock, ThinkPad Hybrid USB-C dock Generation 2, and the Legion docking station. Before connecting, ensure your laptop meets the requirements. Your laptop must support DisplayPort Alt mode via USB-C or Thunderbolt and have sufficient graphics processing capability to handle multiple displays. Now let's walk through the hardware connection process step by step. First, connect your docking station to a power outlet using the included power adapter. Next, connect your laptop to the docking station using a USB-C or Thunderbolt cable. This single cable will carry both power and data signals. Finally, connect your 3 monitors to the docking station. Typically, connect one monitor via HDMI, one via DisplayPort, and the third via a secondary video port or USB-C to DisplayPort adapter, depending on your dock model. Once the hardware is connected, you'll need to configure the software. Start by installing the latest Lenovo Vantage software and display drivers to ensure optimal compatibility. Next, access Windows Display Settings by pressing Windows key plus P, or right-clicking on the desktop and selecting Display Settings. Use the Detect function to identify all connected displays. Finally, arrange your monitors in the display settings to match your physical setup. You can drag the monitor icons to position them correctly and designate which monitor should be your primary display. Your triple monitor setup is now complete. The hardware connections provide the physical link, while the software configuration ensures all displays are properly detected and arranged for optimal productivity. Now that your hardware is connected, the first step in optimization is configuring the resolution for each monitor. Access Windows Display Settings by right-clicking on your desktop and selecting Display Settings. For most professional applications, 4K resolution at 60 Hz provides the optimal balance of clarity and performance. However, you should adjust based on your specific monitor capabilities and intended use. If you encounter bandwidth limitations preventing all monitors from displaying at desired resolution, DisplayPort Multi-Stream Transport can help. This technology allows multiple displays to share a single DisplayPort connection. Color consistency across all 3 monitors is crucial for professional work. Each monitor may display colors differently due to panel variations and age. Proper color calibration ensures accurate color representation. Keeping your drivers updated is essential for optimal performance. Lenovo Vantage provides automatic driver updates and system optimizations specifically designed for your Lenovo hardware. Power management is critical for maintaining performance. Your docking station should provide at least 65 watts of power delivery to prevent laptop battery drain during intensive multi-monitor use. Common issues include display detection problems, flickering, or reduced performance. Most problems stem from insufficient bandwidth, outdated drivers, or incorrect display arrangement in Windows settings. For optimal performance, ensure your graphics drivers are current, use quality cables rated for your resolution, and consider your laptop's graphics capabilities when setting refresh rates above 60 Hz. Remember that your docking station's power delivery capacity directly affects performance. Insufficient power can cause displays to disconnect or operate at reduced resolution. Always verify your dock provides adequate wattage for your specific laptop model.